In today's video, we are going to show you how to enter opening balances in Xero. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Once you are inside the dashboard on the top menu, I want you to click the accounting and then click the gear icon which says accounting settings. Now scroll down until you find the option that says conversion balances. This is where the magic happens. But before we jump in, just a quick explanation about opening balances. Basically, they are the financial starting point of your business in Xero. You have the bank account balances, outstanding invoices, bills you haven't paid yet, or maybe loans or liabilities. So think of it as telling Xero, here's my business currently stands right now. Okay, so on the top, you'll see something like the conversion date. This is super important because it's the date you want Xero to start tracking your books from. For example, if you start fresh this year, all I have to do is you might choose the January 1st, but I am currently starting around April. I'm gonna click on the save button. Okay? And then after doing that, you want to make sure to enter the balances for each account like bank, assets, liabilities. Make sure debits and credits are correct. Okay? Double check your numbers from your previous systems or report. Now at the bottom, this is super important. Xero will show you a total. It should equal to 0. If it doesn't, you need to review your entries. Check for missing or incorrect values because everything must balance before you can continue. Now, before you click the save button, if you want to add comparative balances, you can do that as well. All right? But if you don't want, it's okay. Click the cancel. And once everything looks good, click the save button. And that's it. You have successfully entered your opening balances. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to enter your opening balances in Xero. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.